You stay with a joint family, na, your mood will automatically change. You stop worrying about those things. Okay?
Yeah,
If you are
yeah.
single, na, in single family, what happens? Four people will be there, na, two bedrooms. Okay, everyone will go in their bedrooms, take the mobile, sit and see mobile. Faltu. In joint family, it is not like that.
Yeah.
You should cook for each and everyone. You should do that. You should do this, and you'll be so busy. You will not have time for depression and mental health. Okay.
True.
That is the thing. In joint family, na, you don't have time for this all this bullshit. You ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು people. You don't know how to cook food.
ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫುಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹೋಗ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಪಲ್ಲೆ
ಕಣಾವಳಿ ಥರನಾ?
ಖಾನಾವಳಿ ತರ ಖಾನಾವಳಿ ತರ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಊಟ.
Okay.
ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಿನ್ಬಂದು ಗೆಲ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ರೇಂಜಿಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಕುಕ್ ಫುಡ್. ನಾರ್ತ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಬಟ್ ಇವ್ರು ಸ್ಪೈಸಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೈಸೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಎದುರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೈಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನಾ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಸೇ ಸ್ಪೈಸಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ 3 ಚಮಚ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೈಸಿ ಮಾಡಂತಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಚಮಚನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಆ ರೇಂಜಿಗೆ ಎದುರ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೈಸಿ ತಿಂದು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಊಟ ಮುಟ್ಟಿಗಂತಾನೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ವಾಪಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ರಾಮೇಶ್ವರಂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನೇನು ವೈರಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಓವರ್ ರೇಟೆಡ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಓವರ್ ರೇಟೆಡ್.
ನೀವು ವೆಜ್ಜಾ ನಾನ್ ವೆಜ್ಜಾ? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಉಡುಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಡುಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಡಿಶ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು ನನಗೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಓ ಹಂಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೀರಾ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಓಕೆ ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟೆ ತಿಂದು ನಾನು ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಊಟ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ಜೀವನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಊಟನೇ ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Finding the room is hectic than job.
Yeah, hectic than job.
Job
So what do you do? Okay.
It is an account. Basically, it is an accounting course.
Okay.
Even my attempt, I just failed it.
Okay.
I'm giving my attempt.
Okay.
It is a bit tough.
So Bangalore ಬಂದು ಒಂದು you been for a while, like an year or? Okay. It's 1 year course?
Actually, it depends on us, like how long will take to study and
Crack it,
take
okay.
the exam.
Okay.
There are basically 2 papers in there. And I have given for part 2.
Okay.
I didn't clear. A paper was out of the box. I didn't clear. Then I didn't do home 21st I have my son.
Okay. ಸೊ ಏನು ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
BBA.
BBA ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಿನಿಶ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್? ನೀವು ಊಟದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಯು ವುಡ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್.
The food is the main thing.
Yeah,
If
100%.
you don't have good food,
Yeah.
like you'll not have nice mood, okay? If
हाँ.
you don't have nice mood, you can't study, you can't do anything.
True. Very true.
That is the thing. So good food is very necessary for your life,
Hmm.
especially for the students who are studying right now, okay?
Correct.
For such courses now,
Hmm.
if you want your brain to work, okay, for
Ah.
brainstorming you need good food. Otherwise you'll be irritated all day.
True, very true.
Like your brain will not work. Nothing works at that. You know once what happened? I was at my hometown, okay?
Okay.
I gave there is a test, practice exam, mock test and all. Okay. I gave a test when I was at my hometown. That was more than any test I would have given you.
Hmm.
Because my mood was good there. Okay? My accuracy was more than 70%.
Okay.
Here I can't find it above 50 only.
Hmm.
That is the difference, okay?
Okay.
If you have good food and see your mind will be focused and you can like give nice exam.
Interesting.
You are being perfect.
Okay. No, I'm trying to get lean. So yeah.
You should not see how you need to maintain, you know. Like from my point of view, I'm saying you. See, the thing is, you should like quantity ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Yeah.
ಪೂರ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಡಬಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಂತೃಪ್ತಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮೀಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ರೂ ಅದರ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ.
Okay.
ನೈಸ್ ಫುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ 60 rupees ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
ಎರಡು ಥರ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Okay.
2 types of curry. half fries and sambar. Nice, very tasty food.
Okay.
In Bangalore, that is the one good thing.
So according to you, what's really important in life?
What's really important?
I think you would say food again. Okay.
Okay, important.
Huh.
But still, staying with your family, na, understanding each and every person in the family, like staying calm with the family, that is very important.
Very true.
See, I have been in joint family.
Okay.
I have always been a big fan of joint families.
Okay.
I love joint families. I have been brought up in that, okay. So recently we have separated, okay. I don't feel nice about it.
Very
I
true.
like being in joint family. I don't like this idea of single family and all. What to do with the 4 people, seeing 4 people each and every day. Nothing interesting in each other's life. In joint family now, you'll be tired of listening to others, okay. That is a life actually.
Yeah. Actually, ದೊಡ್ಡವರು
You can grow with it.
ಯಾ ವೆರಿ ಟ್ರೂ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದವರು ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು 70 years ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಪಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಸೊ ಹೀ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಓವರಾಲ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಅಂತ, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಳಾದಿದ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಟುಕ್ ಅ ರಾಂಗ್ ರೂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಡೈವರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ 70s 80s ಅಲ್ವಾ.
Yeah, that is. See, ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ, ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ?
ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಪೀಪಲ್. ಇವಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ.
See, talking is very far, okay.
Yeah.
If you stay with a joint family, na, your mood will automatically change. You stop worrying about those things, okay.
Yeah,
If you are
yeah.
single, na, in single family, what happens? 4 people will be there, na, 2 bedrooms, okay. Everyone will go in their bedrooms, take the mobile, sit and see mobile. In joint family, it is not like that.
Yeah.
You should cook for each and everyone. You should do that. You should do this, and you'll be so busy. You will not have time for depression and mental health, okay.
True.
That is the thing. In joint family, now you don't have time for all this bullshit. You'll be very nice, your
Yeah.
body will be happy at that moment, okay. You'll be having nice food, nice family.
Nija.
Everything will be nice. All this mental trauma, na, it all started from single family.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್, ಅದರ ನಂತರ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅನ್ನೆಸರಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಥರ ಆಗಿರೋದಲ್ಲ.
दिमाग शैतान का दिमाग.
ವೆರಿ ಟ್ರೂ, ವೆರಿ ಟ್ರೂ. ಸೊ ಹೌಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇನ್ ಪಿ ಜಿ? ಹೌಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇನ್ ಪಿ ಜಿ?
PG's life is mad. I don't want anyone to stay with me.
ಆ ಥರ ನರಕ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತೀರಾ?
Each and every person will stay with me.
ಓಕೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಊಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕುದ್ದಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನೇನೋ ತಿಂತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನು. ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋಬಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋಬಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದಾರಂತ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ತುಂಬ ಚೀಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೋಬಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಲ್ಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಂಬಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋಬಿ. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಗೋಬಿ. They'll make gobi curry with the rice. I don't know how that combination works for. I don't understand the idea of the cooking. PG food,
But
like you can't survive with PG.
yeah,
ನಾನು PG food ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ರೇಂಜ್ಗಳು.
ಹೌದು. ಲೈಕ್ ಪಿ ಜಿ ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯು ಕಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗುಡ್ ಫುಡ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅದೇನೂ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
I ordered okay from the Swiggy and Zomato. The food. I wanted to have misal pav. I ordered one of the worst misal pav I have ever tried. Like I was feeling so bad for this misal pav. I don't know how people are treating it as a misal pav. It is not misal pav only.
Okay.
Like once if you eat that misal pav, no, never in your life will you ever try good misal pav only. That much worst food.
Okay. So what do you think about this podcast, what I'm doing now?
Yeah. Like even I like to know people. I like making new friends. I like talking to them. I like talking about their life, about my life. It feels good, okay?
Yeah.
Someone is in a mental trauma or something, no? These all things work.
100%.
When you sit with a stranger and you talk, no?
Yeah.
You will be far better than when you sit with a person you know.
Go, yeah.
I
Because
prefer choosing a stranger over the person I know.
yeah, because a stranger doesn't judge you because they don't know you, right?
No, even if the person you know is not judging you, still you feel good with a stranger only.
True.
I don't know, that works for me.
Interesting. This side, okay. So I've been doing bike taxi from last 2 years. So one of the main initiative is that let's try like ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Actually ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೇನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So what I believe is that I want to give out good energy so I can get back the good energy, right? So it's basically like what you give out is what you get in. But yeah, thank you so much.